quick tutorial on how to edit your videos. We're going to start with the Windows stock program. So if you go into your Windows button, scroll down and find Video Editor. You're going to click on that. As you can see, I've done this a couple times, but I'll do it again for you guys. You will start a new video project, hit the plus sign, and then you'll have to name your video. So I'll do example video. I'll hit OK. And then I'm going to add all of my photos, all of my videos from the PC. Okay, so for me, I already had everything downloaded in a folder called Bailey. So I'm going to double click on that. As you guys can see, I do have all of the pictures and videos that I want right here. I'm going to open all of them, and it's just going to load it into my project library. Once they're in here, if you like the order, you could actually drag all of them down here and it'll stay exactly in that order. If you wanted to, let's say, go one at a time, you could click here, drag it down into your storyboard, and that would be your first picture or video. Just for the sake of time, I am actually going to select all of these and drag them down just to save a little bit of time. Again, if you don't like the order that they're in, the nice thing about this feature is it will let you, take a bundle here and then take a bundle here. You don't have to go in the order that it's placed in your library. You guys can make sure it's in the right order that you would like. Okay, so once I have all these selected, I'm going to drag them down here. And then as you can see on the storyboard, it's going to have every picture and the amount of time that picture is going to be up there. If you double click, you will be able to change the amount of time that picture is going to be shown. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. You will be putting all of those in there just like this. At this point, you're basically done creating your video. You can watch a preview up here. If I fast forward through, I have a nice little video made for my dog Bailey. Once you are done with looking at your preview and you like how it looks, you could be done. Now, I know some of you guys are going to want to add some text and some title cards. That is really easy to do with this program. So let's say before I go here, I wanted to add a title card. If you click on this card, you can change by editing the text. Maybe I want to make the text Bailey Bolt. And maybe I want it to be fancy. I don't really like how that looks. You guys can mess around with this exactly the way you want it to be. I kind of like the way this looks. Hit done. And now that's your first part of your video. Let's say you wanted to add text to any of these pictures. You can go ahead and do that. I don't know. Which one should I add text to? I am going to add text to this one because I think it's really cute. So all you have to do is hit the text button. And again, you can add whatever text you want. I think I'm going to do simple, and I'm just going to add a aww. And I'm going to put it over to the side. Okay, so for you guys, when you're adding instructions for anything, you can add it off to the side and just explain the steps of your tutorial. You'd hit done, and now that's permanently a part of that picture. You can also add different motion effects between slides. You can add filters. I want to add background music to my video, so I'm going to do that here by clicking background music. And I like this one. I don't want the music volume to be full blast for background music. So I'm going to back that off a little bit, hit done, and now when I play this, play my sample video, there is now background music for my whole video. Right, so that's kind of cool. And then let's say I wanted to add custom audio for something. Like I have a video right here. This video that's showing right now doesn't actually have any audio to it. So I could actually add a custom audio file right here and pick it up from your PC, open it, and it would go along with that video. Then you would hit done. For me, I don't have one of those ready, so I'm not going to add it. But you guys can add custom audio to every video that you want when you are done. So for me, I feel like my video is done. I would watch one preview probably all the way full. I'm not going to spend a ton of time going through and doing that, but I can at least see in this preview bar exactly what it's going to look like. You can hit in the upper right hand corner, finish video. I would do the high quality video and then hit export. It is going to take a while once you hit export, but that should be it. All done.
Here. Good girl. I know. Yeah. You got it. Come here. Come here. That's a good girl. I know. They're weird. You got it. I'm getting it already. Bailey, no. Good girl. Good girl. They keep your feetsies all warm.